Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and I welcome you to 21-day vocabulary challenge where you will master around 300 French words in just 21 days. At the end of this challenge, you will know the most frequently used words in French. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Prem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in every video, I'm going to teach you approximately 10 to 15 new words. And at the end of the video, we are going to revise all of them together. Make sure you watch and follow this series in order because the difficulty level will increase according to the days. I would also like to tell you that this video is just a small portion of our learning program. So if you are looking for complete learning program, you can visit our website, which is www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, and you will find the link in the description box below. So let's start with the video. And this video is day 3. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Now, it seems very similar to bonjour, but bonjour you say while meeting the person, and bonne journée, which means have a nice day, this you say while parting. So while saying goodbye, you say bonne journée, au revoir, à bientôt, bonne journée, which means have a nice day. Let's continue with bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Again, it is very similar to bonsoir, but bonsoir, which means good evening, and bonne soirée, which means have a nice evening. Now, bonne soirée, you say while parting. So you say bonne soirée, which means have a nice evening. Désolé, désolé, which means sorry. Désolé. Make sure you repeat after me. Désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé, which means I am sorry. Now, je suis, that's actually the verb être. If you do not know the verb être, I'm dropping the link in the card above. You can watch that video and then come back here again. So, je suis désolé, which means I am sorry. Je suis désolé. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles, which means what is your name? Comment tu t'appelles? Now, tu we always use for informal situations. So, comment tu t'appelles? If you want to ask someone's name informally, if you have an informal relationship with the person, then you will say, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Which means, what is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Now, it has the same meaning, what is your name, but that's formal because we are using vous. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? So, comment tu t'appelles? That's informal. Comment vous appelez-vous? That is formal. But both mean, what is your name? Next, if you were to reply to this question, you will say, je m'appelle, followed by your name. Je m'appelle Suchita. Like I would say, je m'appelle Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, which means my name is Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita. Or that can also mean I call myself Suchita. So you can say je m'appelle followed by your name. Je m'appelle tac 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 here. which means my name is, or you can say I call myself. Next, félicitations. 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 Félicitations, which means felicitations, which means congratulations. Félicitations. 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 Congratulations. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Bon appétit, which means enjoy your meal. So this you say before your breakfast, before your lunch, before the dinner. You can say bon appétit. Bon appétit. Enjoy your meal. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. D'accord. D'accord. D you don't pronounce, the last D. D'accord. D'accord, which means okay. D'accord. D'accord. D'accord, which means okay. Enchanté. Enchanté. Enchanté, which means nice to meet you. When you meet somebody for the first time and you want to say it was pleasure meeting you, you say enchanté. Enchanté. CH is always sh in French. So enchanté. Enchanté. Now let's do a quick revision of whatever we learned in this video. So first, bonne journée. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Have a nice day. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a nice evening. Bonne soirée. Désolé. Désolé. Désolé, which means sorry. And if you want to say I am sorry, you will use the verb être. And you will say je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? That's informal. Comment tu t'appelles? And formally, if you want to say, you will say comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? That's formal. Je m'appelle Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita. My name is Suchita. You can say it by your name. Je m'appelle Suchita. Félicitations. 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 Congratulations. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Enjoy your meal. D'accord. D'accord. D'accord, which means okay. And finally, we have enchanté. 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 Nice to meet you. It was pleasure meeting you. Enchanté. Enchanté. Now make sure before the day 4 video is released, you have learned very properly day 1, day 2, and day 3 videos. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do not forget to share this video with your friends and relatives, whosoever is learning French. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.